Ito tamad. Ayaw maglakad. Yung isa. Ngayon ito pala ang morning dito sa aming ipinag-iistayan. Pakalayo. Sobrang layo. But it's okay. Everything is one train away. I'll be there to save all day. Is that right, Ellie? Ellie, is that right? Huh? I can't hear you. Okay. Ayan, yan ang street dito nga pala. Streets of Japan. So cold. Super lamig.